If not, we continue ya, gas properties. I will just fast forward ya, because you already learned this in reservoir engineering class. Akan ada sangat banyak korelasi, ya, akan ada sangat banyak korelasi di dalam ini. Jadi nggak perlu dijelaskan panjang lebar, karena from the correlation aja, it is very easy to understand. Okay, so if you have ideal gas, then the equation of state will be like this: pressure times volume equals to N, number of moles multiplied by R, universal gas constant, multiplied by absolute temperature. And then if you want to know the number of moles, then you can calculate using this formula: weight of gas divided by the molecular weight. Okay, and then we insert here to replace N. So PV equals to M per big M RT. And then from that formula, we can use this formula to calculate gas density. Okay, so the density is mass per volume, M per V, and then we expand the M to like this, to be like this. So M, the mass of gas, massa gas adalah pressure multiplied by M, apparent molar weight, divided by RT. Okay, so it's like this. So if you know the pressure, if you know the temperature, and if you know the apparent molecular weight, you can calculate the gas density. Yeah, this is for example ya, if you have 3 pounds, okay, 3 pound, the component is N-butane, okay, and then we have temperature 120, pressure-nya 60, and then we calculate the volume, assuming this is ideal gas behavior. Okay, so if you have ideal gas, then you can use this equation. Very easy. You need to check N-butane, what is the molecular weight. The M is 58.123. And then you can just use this equation. So the volume is M, massa is 3 pounds here, divided by the molecular weight, 58, multiplied by R. R is 10.73, multiplied by temperature. Temperature is 120 in Fahrenheit, but you need to change to Rankine, ya. Jadi 120 plus 460, and then divided by the pressure. What is the pressure? 60 psi. So if you just calculate using calculator, you can know that the volume is 5.35 cubic feet. Okay, very simple. And then using the data given above, we need to calculate the density. The density, we can use this equation. So gas density is mass per volume. What is mass, or what is mass per volume? We can change the equation to this: pressure 60 multiplied by molecular weight 58.123 divided by R 10.73 divided by T 120 plus 460. Then the density is 0.56 pound per cubic foot. Okay. Then what is the apparent molecular weight? Apparent molecular weight, it's quite easy. You can just use this equation. So this is actually summation ya. Artinya simbol ini, this symbol is sigma, used for summation. And Y is actually mole fraction. So if you have Y1 and Y2, 50-50, for example, 0.5 and 0.5. And component and M1, for example, the molecular weight, for example, 14, yeah, just for example. And then M2, for example, 20. Then the apparent molecular weight is 0.5 multiplied by 14, which is 7. plus 0.5 multiplied by 20, which is 10. So the apparent molecular weight is 17. Okay, so very easy. This is the apparent molecular weight. And then standard volume. Standard volume is defined as the volume of gas occupied by 1 pound mole of gas at standard condition. Ya, jadi pada standard condition, the pressure is 14.7, temperature is 60. Yeah. So if we use this equation, ideal gas, yeah, PnRT, and then we can calculate what is the standard volume. Yeah, so if you change this equation, then you have V, and then N is 1, yeah, 1 pound mole, 1, and then R divided by pressure. But because of this is a standard condition, then you have this index SC, SC, means standard condition. So standard condition for temperature is 60 Fahrenheit. But notice this is in Rankine, yeah, in Rankine. So 60 plus 460. Ya, jadi kalau Fahrenheit F plus 460. To change to Rankine. Jadi 60 plus 460, we have 520. And then divided by pressure. Pressure is 14.7. So the standard volume is this one, 379.4 standard cubic foot per pound mole. Then gas density, you can use equation, this equation, yeah. Again, gas density. Specific gravity. Specific gravity is defined as the ratio of gas density divided by air density. Yeah, so this is gas specific gravity is gas density divided by air density. And then you expand the equation. What is the density? Density of gas is here. And density of air is down there. Okay? So it's quite easy, yeah?